Incorrect fuelling can be a logistical nightmare for any business to deal with. With tow trucks to organise, booking and waiting for repairs, alternative transport arrangements for employees, loss of revenue, and multi-tier service costs, the list can be quite extensive. WrongFuelRescue offers a simple one-call solution that ensures minimal disruption to your business. We value our clients and work around their needs by providing a quick and efficient 24-hour mobile fuel rescue service. Our specialist vehicles are designed exclusively for fuel removal, and they are equipped to drain misfueled vehicles of any kind. We refill with the correct fuel, whether the vehicles are on-site or at the roadside. It's the fast, reliable way to ensure that your vehicles are covered 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. WrongFuelRescue, Australia's fuel draining experts. Call us now for a no-obligation quote to support your fleet.